Hi guys, welcome to Ove Trends, and I'm back for another video. But today it's gonna be a different video for you guys kasi ang gagawin ko ngayon is an unboxing video. So, Nina and I decided to upgrade kasi napapansin namin yung mga videos namin for vlogs medyo iba na. And what I mean is hindi na kami masaya sa quality kasi unfortunately the one that we are using is a GoPro, which is this one. Yan. So nakikita niyo yan. Maganda naman siya actually. I like this one. Maganda naman ang quality niya when it comes to maganda yung lighting. Pag maganda ang lighting nito, maganda rin siya. Pero pag madilim na, ang ayaw ko sa kanya is grainy. But since this is an action camera, when you say action camera, kasi it's more of like an outdoor like skiing, golf, or more on a like activity talaga. This is good for those videos. But for vlogging, hindi siya, I think, marami pa rin naman gumagamit ito, but I don't think it's advisable if you're gonna take a GoPro for a vlogging, like if you're gonna document your life. Siguro hindi siya bagay sa ganun. But since we had this for quite some time and wala kami talagang proper camera for vlogging, and we just started vlogging like a few months ago, we decided to buy a new camera. I mean, very excited, at isa to sa pinaka dream come true namin kasi syempre pag nanonood naman kami ng mga videos sa ibang mga vloggers, medyo ang ganda ng quality. Syempre mas masarap panoorin kung maganda yung quality ng camera. And of course, being a YouTuber, hindi lang naman siya basta kung ano lang yung magamit. Of course, kailangan din ninyong mag-invest and of course, maging creative at the same time. So, hindi ko na paliligoy-ligoyin na kung ano ang binili namin. Actually, pasensya na kayo kung may naririnig kayong mga alulong ng aso. Yun yung aso ng kapitbahay namin na sa Iberian, kaya maalulong. But anyway, this one, we got this for a good price. Actually, hindi naman siya ganun ka super expensive like the G7X Mark II. Siguro kung meron ako nun talagang, siguro yun talaga, may pera pa siguro ako nun. Pero ito kasi, yung binili namin is, the main purpose of it was to vlog, you know, was to document our life in a good quality camera. And I don't want to splurge so much, dahil nga, syempre, pamilyado na tayo, may anak na, may ninya, and I don't think it's practical if we buy that expensive camera, unless siguro kung talagang we have a budget or money for it. But we decided to dive in and, you know, buy this, and I think it's a good quality camera for our daily vlogging experience, ika na. So, without further ado, so ito na yung aming bagong vlogging camera, and this is what you call the EOS M10. I think this was just launched last year, late last year. So this one I think is fairly new pa rin naman, thinking like it's 7-8 months ago, so almost a year na rin. So ito, kalalabas lang niya, and I bought this SM Fairview, and I think it's in a Canon store, but the packaging that came with it was from Camera House. So I think galing din siya sa Camera House. So itong video, so itong box na to, first time kong bubuksan. And I checked sa online, the price is almost the same. So if I'm going to ask someone to buy in the US, it's almost gonna be the same. Medyo maliit lang yung difference. Plus, so I decided to dive in na rin. And and get this. Ang kagandahan nito, the best thing that I love about this camera is, since the one that I'm using, the DSLR that I'm using is a T3 EOS Rebel. The camera that came with it pwede kong gamitin dito. Pwede ko siyang i-mount. Pero I have to buy like an adapter to put on this camera, and then sa ako magagamit yung mga lens na gamit ko. So, practically, it's good din kasi I have 2 lenses na ginagamit when we shoot a beauty video or like this video. I'm using a Canon zoom lens, 18 to 55mm. So, practically, ito magagamit ko rin siya here. But wala pa akong adapter noon, and I'm gonna buy that maybe in the future. So, I'm gonna open this one for you guys. Very exciting. So, when I open this one, ayan, meron siyang manual. Ito yung manual niya that comes with it. And of course, buksan natin siya. And the first thing that I get is, of course, the cord. Itong cord niya. Charging cord. Charging cord. And then a strap. Yan. So, I think it's useful for me to have a strap kasi syempre vlogging yun. So, ang hawak mo lagi pag ganyan. So, there's a possibility na magbitawan or what. So, I think it's good to have a strap. Yan. And of course, a cord. And USB cord that you can plug into your camera and to your computer or laptop. So this is the camera. So nakaano po siya. So this is how the camera looks like, and flippable. The one thing that I like about the most of the cameras that we have now is na-flip siya. And yun talaga yung wish namin ni Ninya na magkaroon kami ng camera na na-flip na ganyan. Yan, ito yung lens niya. Ito yung pinaka-LCD niya. So, you can flip it and you can, like do this. Yan, so makikita niyo. And then on the side, you have an HDMI and then a card slot. So, ang card slot nito, nakita ko na, actually, binuksan ko kanina to. Hiwalay kasi siya. So, free to nung nabili ko. It's a SanDisk 8GB. So, it's gonna be a parang 45 minutes or almost 50 minutes video. So, ayan. Magagamit talaga siya. Although, I have another SD card na mas mataas yung memory. And then, on the other side, you have parang pang Wi-Fi. You can click this and then you can connect it. I don't know how to use this pano, so maybe the one with the phone, pwede mo siyang ma-connect sa camera. I mean sa phone mo, ano mo siya, maka-capture mo siya. And then what else do we have here? Okay, so far yun. And then this is where your battery slot is. So I don't know where's the camera. Battery slot. So yan, siya napasok. And of course, the buttons are on top. Hindi masyadong magulo. So you only have like a video, camera, and then I don't know the other one. I'm not sure. Automatic. I'm not sure. So yan. Tapos dito yung button, the recording button, and then the flash button. I think this one is for ISO, or if you want to change your ISO, this one, or the shutter speed. What else? And then the flash. Oh, it has a flash. Ayan, meron ka dito for the flash. And then that's it. Wow! Wow, it's nice. So that's where your flash is. Pretty. I didn't figure that out. Okay. Of course, the lens that comes with it. Ayan, meron kasama siyang lens. And it's a 15 to 45mm image stabilizer. So, ikakabit natin to. So, ikakabit natin dito sa camera. I just have to remove the cap. Ayan. When you remove a cap, guys, lagi nyong iiwas sa fan. Kasi yung dust niyan minsan, yung nasasagap ng fan, pag napasok siya sa loob ng lente, yun, nakaka-capture din niya. So, try not to put it doon sa pag may mga fan or sa usok or what. So, batian nyo siya. So yan, that's how it looks. So yung nakita namin sa mall kanina, meron siyang parang adapter that you can place it parang in the middle, and then dun yung ikakabit yung lens ng DSLR nyo. So practically matipid siya kasi you don't have to buy another lens, kasi yung ibang camera na nakita ko separate lens yung ano yung bibilhin mo if you want to change, but this one you can use your own. The battery, yeah, we will place the battery inside. I'm sobrang excited ako dito. I mean, like very excited. Okay, yung SD, I will put the SD in the SD slot. Oh, we have another one, and of course, what else do we have is charging box niya. Yan, so dun yung isasaksak yung yung plug kanina, and then you can charge your battery. It says set lens in shooting position. Yan siya. And it's very clear, okay? You will see, i-record ko to, then I will upload. Ayan guys, so ito siya. Ang linaw niya, grabe. Super linaw niya. Ayan, nakakita niyo ako guys. So that is the camera that I have, and ayan yung monitor. Ang linaw niya, no? Ayan, meron siyang autofocus guys. Ayan, nakikita niyo naman yung autofocus. Ayan. So you can change the setting of your, kung natataasan kayo sa ISO or exposure. So there. Ayan. Ayan, nakikita nyo guys. Ang ganda, maganda siya. And automatic, ayan siya, nagpo-focus siya mag-isa. So this is how it looks like. Ayan. We will try and test it out sa low light. So I'm gonna turn off the lights. So I only have very few lights. Ayan, pinatay ko lahat. And isa lang yung ilaw na meron ako. So let's see kung mafo-focus. Oh. Ayan. Na-focus niya. Maliwanag pa rin. So nakikita pa rin. Technically nakikita pa rin ako. You know. So this is a very good camera. So I'm gonna turn off the last light. So let's see. This is the most pinakamadilim. At ang ilaw ko lang is yung ilaw nung laptop. So hindi siya ganun ka grainy. Medyo grainy siya dito, pero hindi ganun ka grainy unlike sa GoPro. I still like it kasi kita pa rin naman. If you can see the difference between my DSLR, wala na siyang makapture. Konting-konti na lang. Ayan. Grainy na siya. But here on my Canon, ayan o. Kita pa rin. Okay. So I'm gonna turn on the lights and all. I'm back. Wow. Amazing. This is really amazing guys, and sobrang ganda. Super, I love this. I am in love with our new camera. So you guys, if you are looking for the complete specs of this one, you can check. You can Google it actually, but kasi kung i-rundown ko to yung mga specs niya inside, medyo matatagalan tayo, and I think some of you guys are not that techy, not that techy rin. So mahahaba to. But if you are really techy and if you want to check the specifications of this camera, then maybe you can Google it and you can find all the specs naman sa net. But since this is a first impression unboxing video for Canon M10, I am going to love this because this is really perfect for what we need. So we don't really need that super high-end camera na gagamitin. But of course in the future, kung kaya na ng budget, then maybe we can upgrade. But for the meantime, we are really happy with this camera. I mean, you know, it's really good for taking photos and videos and, you know, vlogging, especially vlogging. I love this camera. And guys, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and of course if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe on our channel. I will link it up here, so please subscribe, just click this button. And of course, you can add us up on our social media. Add nyo kami dyan sa Facebook and sa aming Instagram page. And of course, those are my subscribers namin. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. I'll see you again guys. Bye!